Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Epic Adeyemi. Today I bring a fantastic application to you guys that will allow you to operate your back and front camera together at the same time. Maybe you are taking a picture or you are taking a video on your mobile phone and you want to operate both front and back camera at a time. I can help you out to use them at the same time with an application. So you guys, let's get started. But before I proceed, I will urge you guys not to forget to subscribe to this my YouTube channel for you to be notified with each and every time we drop a latest video on my channel. So now let's get started. What you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. I will put the download link at the video below here. Just go to Google Play Store and search for Flip Cam. Flip Cam, as you can see here. As you can see, the first search option, I'll be helping you to put the link, download link below. So what is, as you can see, I've already downloaded the application before. What I just have to do is to click on open to open the application and click on allow. Wow, you can see this is the outline you'll be seeing on the phone. Here is normal phone settings. Having been is my normal camera setting. As you can see, my camera, let me first show you my normal camera setting. As you can see, here's my normal camera setting, and having been, I want to take a video now. You can see this is a video, right? This is a video, right? So if it is a video, I can, once I press here, the video has started recording. As I click this red button, and then I want to press the video back to the front camera instantly. I can't do that until I pause the video and I start recording afresh. But this application, once you are on one record, you can switch to both front and back camera at a time instantly. So let's go back to the application. As you can see now, here is the application. Here is the front camera. Here is the back camera. You can see. For example, I want to record a video now. You can see I can easily change both and front camera at a time. You can see I'm recording a video now. I can easily change both front and back camera at a time, even if I'm still recording the video. As you can see, simple and straightforward. But if it is on your normal phone video, you can't do this. I'm telling you, you can't do this. But with this simple application, it gives you 100% assurance and help to use your both front and camera together at a time. Good, very good, guys. If you enjoyed this video, let me remind you, not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoyed this simple trick application. Thank you and God bless. Meet you later again.
Kindly click on the subscriber button and click on the bell beside the subscriber button for you to be notified when we drop the latest video. And don't forget to like our videos and share to your friends, relatives and family.